Hi, this is demo of Clouditor. This is my project that I'm going to resync the editors. So let's start from a problem I find in editing code. So in Sublime, yeah, this is a Clojure file, and if I want to edit this function here. So this is the function I imported from another file. It's whatever, but it's another file, and I'm going to find a bug in it, and yeah, I'm going to go to the definition. Oh, so anyway, so I'm going to go to this definition and then edit the details. So normally when we are building something, it's like I'm going to edit this code in this code stack, but I found it's not my not the bug, but so I'm going to another code stack and another to find the problem and fix the code, and finally it may work. But in text editor, it's not that thing. It's just files of functions, and I have to need definitions. And in Sublime, it's always command P, find the file, and then find the function, find the line, and edit it. So that's not how we program our code. How we program, and sometimes we may have IDEs like Java who just have code stacks, but it's not what we have here. But it's always a good idea to have a code stack, a real code stack. So I got an idea. I explained at I tweeted my Weibo account, and here's a picture. I imagine how I would design such an editor. So on the left side, here's the functions with namespaces, and yeah, it might be too simple, but you can see it from this is a function, or maybe it's a definition of a variable or something, or an expression or function, whatever. But and then as I select that function, the definition, and it shows the code on the left side, and here is a simple function. So on the left side is a code stack, on the right side is the code, and I can click on the left to navigate the code. It's not a running code stack. It's just a static code stack generated by some tricks or something. So I want the goals. My goals are navigating code by navigating code in this stack, and manual code by each function. So you can see here. You can see the function, but there's not a file. This is not a folder, just a namespace, and a function and its code. So that was my idea, and I struggled several days to get myself a demo. Here is here. So this demo, I'm going to select this one. Yeah, so you can see from here is the setup, and here's the code. The code is designed like C. C is my language, so you only have to know it's a tree editor. It's a tree editor. So I can navigate here, and click the buttons to edit the expressions and the tokens. Yeah, but you can see from here. Here's a define. If I focus on this one, it's not there's no define, but so if it contains a namespace, it's a define. It's a definition, and I'm going to click definition, and it shows on the left side on the stack, and here's a here's another definition. I click on it, yeah, and here's one more, and one more, yeah. So here's the call stack of main. Main is calling handle, handle is calling F1, F1 calling, etc. So I'm showing an editor. It's navigating by its call stack, and also here's a branch. Here's branch. I can go to x1, and x1 is an expression. Yeah. So this was my idea. I got at first. It's just this one, and maybe we can program in the future like this. It's not finished yet. So by having these functions, we can actually do more things like analyze the code. This is a demo of the code, just a fake code I wrote before. So here's the main. Here's the handle function. It depends on and x1, also f1, f2, and these functions. So so this graph just shows the dependency tree here. It changes according to the function. Also, I can click on this to navigate to the specific function, specific definition I want to go to, and I can still edit here. So the namespace here is Clouditor. Let's call it one C6, and C6 is identity, just 6. Yeah, it's just 6. So now the definition, the dependency graph changed, and f1 is depending on 6, c6. And if I delete, oh no, yeah, I deleted that c6 definition, and here you can see from here that it's missing. It's gone from the graph, but you can see here from here it's unused. It's unused. Also, I just added a button to clear that unused code like here. Yeah, it's on the tree again. Also, as we already know how each function depends on each other, and then we can just analyze the dependency tree and generate the code in the correct order. I'm going to verify it. So we already know main is depending on handle, and handle depending on f1, f1, 2, f2, and this function. So I can just generate code from the graph, the dependency graph here. It's it's just a sort of algorithm. Yeah, and this code I can click. Maybe I can create a new interpret to run the code. Yeah. So I'm going to conclude these ideas. So I just found it editors are too tedious to navigate between files, and so I'm going to construct to organize the code by functions, and then edit them in a tree, and also I can analyze the dependency tree and do more things like generating code and evaluating code. So this might be a good idea. Also in the future we can do more, like see here we have the functions in the same namespace, but probably we would need a database of all functions, all namespaces on the cloud. And since this is a web editor, it's based on Chrome. and a web page. So I can definitely put it on a server, and everyone can edit the code on this side, and it's like we are programming on the cloud, and we can pick whatever functions we need on this cloud and generate code on the fly, like with the power on the cloud. It's totally different from we have now, like this one. It's just files of and folders. I have navigated between them, navigate among them with keyboard shortcuts, and it's very slow and tedious. So I can see the benefit of navigating by stock, but maybe we already have ideas. Never mind. This is just my idea. I want it may help building the next generation things like editors, whatever. Thanks.